My name is Mathew, employee at Lyman Plumbing. I do a lot of the installs. I'm the lead installer, plus I do service tech, so I'm kind of like a hybrid in the company.
How did you get started in plumbing originally?
To get started, ever since I've been little, it was an option to go to college. Not for me. I was young, I tried to college, I owe money, I paid it back. It was just a big waste for me. But since I've been little, my mom has always did remodels, HGTV, all that stuff. So I've always worked around a home doing construction, from painting, drywall. And then as I got older, I've kind of veered off to the plumbing because of money and career-wise. There's always plumbing going to be needing work, and there's a lot of money in it. And that's why I kind of chose the path of the plumbing career now.
So, speaking of money, what type of money can you make in this trade?
I mean, to me, there is no cap. A lot of people, you get into a job, you may make 100,000, 150,000, but at the end of the day, you can get commission on your sales. So it's how hard you want to grind. If you want to go out there and beat the street and get your name out there, there's no cap. You can make endless money.
So, what's your opinion on trade schools?
Trade schools, as in learning a skill trade? I would shoot for that any day of the week before college. That's just my opinion, I tell my kids, you want to go to college, you're going to be a doctor or a lawyer. That is what college is for. If you want to learn a skilled trade schools are great. Then you get out there, you can be an apprentice, learn a trade, and then that's going to be a skill you have for life, as well as for your own home and your own family. So not only are you have a skill to earn money, you have a skill to save money too, and I love that.
And advice for a 17, 18-year-old young adult watching this, what would you recommend as far as getting into the plumbing trade? Should they go to a trade school or get on with a company?
I'd say do it all. Don't be shy of hard work. Now's the time. When you get older, it's going to be harder. So I'm all for going to a company, getting in the door, learning a trade. You never know. They may be like, hey, you need to learn backflows. You need to learn water heaters. So there's always room for learning. I would never stop learning in the plumbing industry, but I'd tell you to get into a company and as soon as possible. We got some guys here that are 17 and they could literally be where I'm at by the time they're 20. I'm 38, so they have like an 18-year jump on me, and I explain that to them so much, like how much money I could have saved or where I could be at if I started at 18 just at a plumbing company. It would be endless again.
Awesome, I appreciate it.
Yeah, no worries.